We are but dust and shadow. Again, be bold and venture to be wise. They change their sky, not their soul, who rush across the sea. Rule your mind, or it will rule you. He who is greedy is always in want. In love, there are two evils, war and peace. Anger is a brief madness. We are just statistics, born to consume resources. Adversity has the effect of eliciting talents which, in prosperous circumstances, would have lain dormant. A heart well prepared for adversity in bad times hopes, and in good times fears for a change in fortune. Great effort is required to arrest decay and restore vigor. He who would begun has half done. Dare to be wise, begin. I never think at all when I write. Nobody can do two things at the same time and do them both well. No poems can please for long or live that are written by water drinkers. A picture is a poem without words. The muse gave the Greeks genius, and the art of the well-turned phrase. The pen is the tongue of the mind. Drawing is the true test of art. Painters and poets have equal license in regard to everything. Wisdom is not wisdom when it is derived from books alone. Books have their destinies. Knowledge without education is but armed injustice. Good sense is both the first principle and the parent source of good writing. Pale death with an impartial foot knocks at the hovels of the poor and the palaces of kings. I shall not altogether die. Death is the last limit of all things. Death is the ultimate boundary of human matters. He that cuts off 20 years of life, cuts off so many years of fearing death. Death's dark way must needs be trodden once, however, we pause. One night awaits all, and death's path must be trodden once and for all. Ridicule often cuts the knot where severity fails. Leave all else to the gods. What exile from his country is able to escape from himself? Live as brave men and face adversity with stout hearts. Wars, the horror of mothers. Remember when life's path is steep to keep your mind even. A word, once sent abroad, flies irrevocably. Make a good use of the present. A good resolve will make any port. Whatever advice you give, be short. Seize the day and put the least possible trust in tomorrow. In times of stress, be bold and valiant. It is sweet and honorable to die for one's country. Please subscribe this channel to watch more videos. Like and share.